In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use iMessage stickers on your iPhone or iPad. Stickers are a great way to add a personal touch to your messages, and making your own custom stickers is surprisingly simple. So let's dive right in. We're going to start by creating custom iMessage stickers using the Photos app. First things first, open the Photos app on your device. Once you're in the app, choose a photo that has a clear subject. This could be a picture of a person, your adorable pet, or perhaps an interesting object. The key here is clarity. The subject should be easily distinguishable from the background. Now, with your photo selected, tap and hold on the subject of the image. You'll notice a glow outline appearing around it. This is your cue that the subject has been successfully isolated. Once you see this glow, a pop-up menu will appear. From this menu, tap on Add Sticker. By doing this, you've saved a new sticker to your sticker drawer in iMessage. It's really as easy as that. With our sticker created, let's move on to using these stickers in iMessage. Begin by opening the Messages app. You can tap on any conversation you have going, or start a new one if you feel like sending someone a surprise sticker. Once you're in the conversation, look for the plus icon next to the text field. Tap on this icon and then tap on Stickers. This is where the fun begins. Here, you'll see the custom stickers that you've created waiting for you. You can use these stickers just as you would any other emoji or image, but let's take it a step further with a really fun feature. You can drag and drop your sticker onto any message bubble in the conversation. Simply hold and drag the sticker to a message you want to respond to and release it over that bubble. It will stick like a reaction, adding a playful and personal touch to the conversation, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to create custom iMessage stickers, but also mastered the art of using them in your messages. This adds both a creative and a personal flair to your communication, making your conversations more engaging and fun. Feel free to explore different photos and subjects, creating a whole library of stickers that reflect your personality. I hope you enjoyed learning something new today, and that you'll have loads of fun creating and sharing your stickers with friends and family. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on texting.